Looks like we've got a maintenance required light on a 2013 Lexus RX350. Now what happened is the owner got his oil changed, but they forgot to reset that light for him. So I'm going to show you how quickly and easily we can get that done. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to reset your maintenance required light on the dash on a 2013 Lexus RX350. Now with the car on, you want to change your odometer with your little trip button down here. We're going to change that to trip A. See that right there? And then we're going to turn the car off by pushing this button. And then we're going to hold down the trip or odometer button and press the power button twice. See there, it says resetting maintenance data. Now keep holding down that odometer reset button, and then you're gonna see a little bit of a countdown, and then all zeros will flash and it will go back to that trip odometer. Now once that's reset, you can let go of the odometer button and you're done. You can change that back to our main odometer and maintenance required is reset. Now you notice that we pushed that button twice and didn't turn the vehicle on. Don't put your foot on the brake, just tap it twice. And now we can turn that off. And if we want to restart the car, just foot on the brake and start it like you normally would. And you're done. Maintenance required light is reset and this is good to go. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. Thanks so much for watching and good luck.